Tune in pan the live. You don't know. Tammy in the building. Dan one in the building. Yo. Yo. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Father Dan in the building. You know me I say. Father Tammy in the building too. You know me I deal with. Tammy not touch nothing yet. All Tammy just sit down and wait till theme time come. I saw no selector for both I do. But not for them little young youth and no Tammy. Not for them men I rape up and scope and face and say, yo, Dan one. How much more? Yeah, how much more you have to?
So you want to them
how much
now?
more you have to?
None of them can build vibes. They have to write on vibes.
You don't know. Share the life, share the life, share the life. Share the life. Don't want me to say, share the life.
Why some people just love chat road, right? I don't know. They want to beat, they might need some chat road to get
yeah, man.
Going around making trouble for everyone, and deep and stick your nose where it don't belong.
Forward for the life.
But some say you need a sweet king or a beaten with a cuckoo macassy. And don't you know man no fricassee, man button your lip, Mr. Talkative, you better watch how you live. Mr. Talkative, you better watch how you live.
Why don't I make you answer that one there?
Special request to your life.
What you say?
Special request to your life.
What special? Oh, yeah, bless up your life.
Yeah, Mr. Talkative.
Yeah.
Why some people just love chat road, right? I don't know. They want to beat, they might need some chat road to get beat and stuff.
I start him one start.
Going around making trouble for everyone.
Yo, Tommy, yo, pull up that tune there, yo, fat, yo, pull up that, yo. Yo, Dan one, how much more you play?
Yeah, it's a special, enough tune for play.
This
man.
is our...
Just play that tune for my friend.
Why some people just...
Yeah, I'm going to drink something for
They want to beat, they might need some chat road to get beat and stuff.
Going around making trouble for everyone, and deep and stick your nose where it don't belong. But some say you need a sweet king or a beaten with a cuckoo macassee. And don't you know man no fricassee, man button your lip, Mr. Talkative, you better watch how you live. 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 Everything you see, hear you talk, and a heavy shadow don't see make him bark. See and blind, hear and deaf. Man, you've got to watch yourself. The life you save may be your own. Leave people business alone. You say you're so here. I say you're so there. You're so everywhere. So here, you're so there. So everywhere. Here I so everywhere. You're so Mr. Talkative. Mr. Talkative, you better watch how you live. Mr. Talkative, you better watch how you live. Going around making trouble for everyone. Deep and stick your nose where it don't belong.
Yeah, man, you think of that alone, I play one more tune from Dan one. Tommy, line up the little John, you know. Because you know enough people are sending requests, you know. And we have enough more reasoning to, you know. See? Line up the things up. Let me leave some space over here for you.
Oh, baby, na 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 na. My baby. Nice to know that you are here with me. It's good to know it's where you wanna be. Can't you feel it? It's the chemistry, babe. We
man, we're going to make Tommy touch it a little bit. You know what I say? I play a couple more from Dan. And Dan go and rest, relax, you know? And they were reason.
So we move a little bit closer, oh baby. And right about now she's feeling the power. So she says, ooh, oh baby, I love it when you move it slow.
You want the water bucket? You don't want the water bucket. You go to yeah, one.
Ooh, oh, well, my lady. Oh, yeah. Every man's got his eyes on you. Nothing they wouldn't do just to get close to you. Oh, yeah.
Share the life, man. We'll go back on some reason a little bit. Tommy touch it, huh?
And steal your kiss, cause you've got that effervescent style, baby. They can't resist every moment on your way to work. They try everything in their power and just to get you to talk. But you just shrug your shoulder and you give them that walk. And it's oh, oh, baby. And they say walk and walk, baby, walk and walk, sugar work. Ooh, yeah.
I make you walk and walk. Yeah, man, big, yo, bless up Father Dan one, you know me I say. Dan want to take a little pass, little bit. Because I have ocean of tune. Because you don't know, in Virgin there from in the 70s. And it's good to see me to see two Virgin from way back. No, man. No, man. Of course, man. How are you, man? Yo! So, we're going to make certain time I touch it a little bit, you know what I say? Play some tune, some little special, change the mode a little bit. Then one, bless up yourself. Yeah, man, time I go play. May I select, how are you? May I select everything we want to today. Everything we want to today. How are you? See? Hey, Tommy. Our speed is, because you know, because you don't know, some of them are 33, that's what I make sure check, you know. No. I just select, hey, no for no young selector, you know, know the thing, you know. 45, 33. Can't put up on 45 on a 33, you know what I say? Too slow.
Wanna sound like a chipmunk.
All right. All right?
All right, this is that tune, yeah? Lift on that tune,
yeah? Yeah.
You say a special, yeah? A Mikey Jarrett, this. Early Mikey Jarrett. That special, yeah? A 40-year-old.
This dub plate is 40 years old.
40 years ago, that dub you
Young Mikey Jarrett, bless up yourself, my brother.
Play that.
All right, Mikey Jarrett, Big Daddy.
It always say, Sir Tom is the general. I'm here the original general, but when General I Power come, we drop out the general and we'll stick to the Sir Tom. So listen to the tune.
All right.
40 years ago, the Mikey Jarrett.
40 years ago, when I get some 40-year dub plate, history on the life.
And look at the dub.
Share the life. I'm going to show them my dub first. Hold on. See there? You don't even have no name on it.
40 years ago.
See? No name. All right? 40-year-old dub plate. Listen to tune keenly. I'm going to take a snap. Pull up my tune there from top, man. What do you, man? Listen to the tune. Say it to me, General. Check.
40 years old.
This doesn't sound like Mikey Jarrett.
All right. What you want more special or you want?
some special, man. Play some special and then we play some. Yeah?
Late 70s.
Crucial, you call Mikey Jarrett. You know me and David, pick up my virgin.
Bless up.
Yeah, man, tell a friend, man. Dan one, Sir Tommy in the building. Sir Tommy just stirred, yo. King Toby's Stagger Vice tune them.
Toby's brother.
Toby's brother. Yo. What you say? No flip side? You don't flip it over?
No.
All right.
33 now.
33. Which one?
First June.
1st June. 33.
That tune hurt enough guy, you know. Yeah, them little Johnny now.
Them tune are special. Sir Tommy. Little Johnny Wonder.
There is a sound that going around. Sir Tommy's not going around. Sir Tommy's gonna throw them down.
Yo. I can't jump too much.
Yes, when
I can't get too excited.
Yes, when him price them tune, yeah?
Yeah.
At 20 tunes straight, the man sing non-stop.
20 tunes.
Straight, non-stop.
But
tune after tune.
All right. Little Johnny one.
There is a sound that going around. Sir Tommy's gonna best them down.
Little John.
There is a sound that going around. Sir Tommy's gonna throw them down.
I'm sound them tune
On the sound system.
Church Avenue.
Anywhere that it play, yes, the people gather round. They start to jump, they start to shout. The time is gonna bash them down, yeah. The time is gonna be.
Pull up my tune again. Yo, you see enough of them youth, them know this, them know Sir Tommy have the studio, but enough of the youth them don't even know say they have a sound system.
Right.
See? But Tommy have him sound before the studio.
Sound and produce and then studio.
And then studio, all right? So get used to
We're
it.
going at stages.
In them days, all right, Tommy, we have something to talk about, you know.
True.
Can I invite some people on the platform and some people say they kill you, you know. So I want to
me?
if I shoot or not, yeah.
Well, listen.
They say they kill Sir Tommy sound.
Well, listen. Me kill too.
Me know.
So
more
this thing
know.
is not all about killing.
Me want to know if I shoot or not.
Well, hey,
Yeah,
listen.
some man
The
say
truth
them-
is the truth.
Them pack up your sound and
Pack me
have
up.
send you back home.
No sound never pack me on same. No. The most ever happened to me a dancehall. The transformer, my amplifier burn up.
You amplify burn
Yeah,
up.
broke up. That's it.
Which dance was that?
I dance a Connecticut. That's the only time
Which- who and you was
me a
playing?
downbeat.
Don't beat the ruler.
And as a matter of fact, a police come down the dance. Cause when first of all me meet downbeat.
Slide over
How
like
me meet downbeat? You have a record shop at Bronx named Deep Sound. That time Jokes was a record shop at Utica Avenue.
yeah.
I mean, I locks them go Bronx every like Thursday, Friday, go sell record. I'm going to go with them. I'm going to Deep Sound. And Lashley say, Deep Sound, me Sir Tommy, don't be, and Deep Sound say, dance next month. And so from this, so. Right?
That's how you meet. Father.
So we meet him in the record.
The brother named Brown, we won't deep sound.
Right. Owen.
If you got something I said record and
All right.
Which year was that?
That time
In the 70s.
no, early 80s.
In the early 80s.
Probably about 81, 81 of them region there.
Yeah.
So, when him go to dance now, him run go take the best spot at the dance hall and leave me by the door.
But in them days, that's how we do it.
Right. But him never Bronx, so him closer to the dance hall. Anyway, my amplifier play exactly 1 month. 1 hour. And the transformer burn up. And if me didn't know if I rig the amp, because I still play the sound through the weight amp. But you me have to incline attention thing them like no.
Yeah.
And then two police come to the dance. And I go on and my rant and the police them walk down at the bar. At the first dance, I see him so quick. Me know where them sit down there. And the policeman make a U-turn and the whole dance I walk behind him come out.
Wow. So that means that the dance never really get to finish then.
Right. Police come stop the dance.
But you still give him the winnings.
No.
Well, you know,
We
by
give the
default.
policeman
By
the winning.
default.
Right.
We give the policeman the winning.
Me don't know the man go down and go say to them. But when the man talk to them and turn on so, the whole dance hall, I go through the gate.
All right. We talk about don't beat. I have Naya Tone the other day on the program. And Naya Tone said him kill Sir Tommy too.
Which part now you don't kill me?
I don't know, but him say he murdered Sir
Well,
Tommy. So.
I dream so.
What, eh?
I dream.
Maybe I made a mistake and me no
Well,
know,
listen,
maybe.
how much time you and Naya told me? We play we do a
Yeah, Naya
live
Tone
album.
play a couple times though, right?
We do a live album for Jalife, down at Galaxy. We play a President Chateau. That time, Mouta Massey and Shelly Thunder did there, and the two of them fall, and two of them, Massey up on my sound, Shelly up on Feast, and them a throw, the two of them a cuss them one of as DJ. Two of them are ex-lover at the time.
Oh, so two, hold on.
Mouta Massey,
History.
when dead and gone, and
Yeah.
Shelly Thunder.
And Shelly Thunder.
One the pan Naya Tone, and one the pan Sir Thomas.
And the two of them are cussing one,
Right.
because them alone.
So, listen, Puma, I don't want to get me in the mix up.
So who get the best at the mix up? We not talk about this
Well,
sound now. We not talk about the sound part now.
We don't even know who get the best. Because the whole thing was a joke. Because me and Canada did there laugh the whole life. This is a joke, you know?
Yeah.
But hey, entertainment business at the same time. You understand?
But not them days, you know, it was fun thing. 'Cause when a man say him kill you,
Right, but can't remember, you know.
it was just, you know.
No care how bad a sound is. Every sound have a half night. Every sound have a winning night and a losing night. Or a
I
draw
forget
night.
kill. I forget kill.
Are you Mr. Kid?
could have good
First
look
time
on
where we do them thing here. We do them thing for the love of the business. And I like, we come out, because it's the first time now it's July. If I have a dance all November, December, I start cut dub. See me show my bag, you know. We start cut dub and look tune from now till the dance. And first time you have a place a man named Angel Sound. There.
Me don't know them, but more one.
Broadway and Sutton Street.
Yeah.
Upstairs.
If you come there, you say me a cut dub. Nobody come because me I take the whole time. Don't be the same thing. You understand? So I saw them things years ago. We used to look through, we on tune like,
Search up and down and.
we don't stop on tune. We were some tune addict.
Wow.
We were some tune junkie then.
So we can call you know, a collector.
Yeah. Yes, it. Yeah,
You have to
man.
put the microphone. You have to, yeah.
Saturday morning, people
So-
line up a Angel Sound for cut dub.
Yeah.
So them days of the thing was fun. And it was a jive, as soundman as Bridget, we all book up in a dance hall, or book up a record shop, and we used to go first time when you go dance, you know. We use it click in them days, you know, 'cause if you go dance and you hear 100 tune, you know. You remember the 100 tune where you have, and deal can't like to jump on your phone. Now, who have that tune them? Hear that tune. Wait up and record or dub. Sometimes you position yourself in a dance where you can see the man turntable. And when you play a tune, you all tip.
Try for people, yeah.
You tip. But you can't know say you look, you know.
Yeah, but more times some people scratch off a label and
No,
scratch off a
but here we
label.
know. You see, we know, we just tip. If it lick a bit, so we know say a record shop thing. If it bigger than 7 inch, we say, boy, I dub that cut pan dub, you know. So we find out if a Jamaica, we get that tune from our America have the tune or that time, and then Channel 1 come later down a Utica. If Channel 1 I cut it out, I saw it years ago, we say search.
So all in them days, always it to get the tune them from Jamaica? Everything was coming out of Jamaica, right?
Yeah, you go from record shop to record shop. It's like a rolling calf.
So everything, at the release of Jamaica, so it reached up.
If it reach up here, yeah.
Time Keats.
That time you have Randy's, Music Land, Keats.
Music Land come
Yeah,
long
see.
after.
No, man, Music Land, they down on Utica Avenue first, you know. Utica and Park Place. And then now Park Heights buy it out. Then move go President and Utica and then Park Heights, deal buy it and turn to Park Heights.
Okay. Yo, big up the jail. You know me I say? Park Heights School,
Yeah,
bless
sir.
up.
And we just roam from records 7 days a week if possible.
Wow. And the weekend, that's
Yeah.
Friday, Thursday.
Yeah.
And Thursday, from Thursday.
Every day. Let me tell you, I manager a record shop at National and Bergen, man. That's how we meet Dan, man. We live in a record shop, you know.
We can't hear that.
No, Mr. He was a collector also.
He was a record
I
collector.
forgive me, give my whole of my record and lights. What is the song?
Live a Love.
Live Our Love, yeah. Give him a whole for record too.
So that one, I know you all these years. and you give. But me don't know about the Fergie part. But you give liver love. And I
You
give
just
me
tell
the
him come
tune.
take the record, then, man. Because we see a man I take thief my record.
Them they all queue him one day, look for me now. Because I know him from him just land on here. And man draw dance on tune for him. Song my mother used to sing. So him come to me and say, if me have the record. Me say, yeah. Me forgive him. And he may big me up. So me say, me no need you to big me up. Me forgive you my record for you big me up. You're out of man.
Yo, baby Q. Yo, baby Q. What that, baby Q? What that?
That's it. All roads international. Me are the first man carry them go dance all, you know. And me give them the name. Because me they have some speaker box. Because I used to have some of the box mark road on it. Some EV speaker.
Road International with DJ Ryan.
Me give them the name.
Axtail and all that.
Listen to me, man.
Them time Yanni.
That time Axtail not come now about
No,
this.
that's a wave. Axtail come way after. DJ Yanni and
Listen. Let me tell you it go.
Deal and all that.
Listen.
Deal never come here.
Listen. When you have them Rai, Yoni, Tone, them used to dance with them Black Force dance group. That time some youth that Lennox and you.
Hold on. DJ Ryan used to in our
Yeah,
dance
listen.
group.
Wait, hold on there. What part of that you don't understand?
No more you clearly.
Yo, listen, them used to dance on some youth, some twin youth, Danny and Mikey, right at Lennox and New York Avenue, across New York Avenue. So I know them.
So you know Raya dancer?
I never know where I was
Oh,
dance.
long before. Yes. And the younger man out of the whole thing, when we say, we always give me my props. Yoni, Anif, and Desi.
So DJ Ryan never give you props.
Yeah, no and again, but I'm going to say the man that play a tune, and I say, more tune man there for record. So time you know get it. Out of order, out of order. When you say that?
Yo, them better take things personal, you know. I forgot what you want to say, you know.
But if on public, like, you know, think somebody here and tell me.
But maybe a funny man.
Me know.
A funny man, you know.
But funny thing.
But you take it kind of
No, I'm not take it personal, but me I sure you say, when me know, me have my flyers to prove it, you know. And me carry go Alexander Hamilton Hotel at Patterson, New Jersey, you know. Jersey, you know. And me get in, because all the name come, you know. Like me say, me have some box, Mark Rhodes on it.
Yeah.
Them have a double 18 one. If me not play out, them borrow my own. If me not, them not borrow for them own. Right? And them say, what if you name the sound? I'm say, see the name there, see the box them there. I ask my baby mother, my first baby mother. I saw them get the name, Rhodes International.
Wow.
And I said that the young man will always say, boy, Tommy, if it wasn't for you, is Yoni, Anif, and Desi. That's how when Philly Smart.
So them are the only person kind of give you props and
Perhaps, yeah.
always remember
Right,
them.
no one again, he may mention me, but me I say, them man there, anyway them see me, them I say, Tommy, if it wasn't for you.
But them man in there on the sound no more.
Well, I don't know exactly what part them I play with it now. Right?
Because I know Yanni know they on the sound and I know
Right.
yeah, I know them man.
Because even when Philly Smart passed, we rest in peace, we over there and asked the driver, I said, you ever shut your mouth and listen to people that tell you, man. People know more than you. Tommy and partly responsible majority of this. And enough away on here, not get no credit for we do. Me, Carnell, Jalife, enough away on here, not get credit for we do. Just like a man who know my name but don't know me look like.
Of course, today some of them are going to know today.
Yeah.
None of them know.
I'll
today.
even Lee Major. You know, Lee Major I got public school. When the school was dropping off in New York and Midwood and Bertie and them. But one thing, him never lose respect for me. Major.
Image I go to you.
No. Put fun and jokes still aside. You know me, I say, I know him long time. He's a respectable youth.
Yeah, man.
Very respectable.
You know all them mother, man.
I know all of them.
You see it?
Panama-
That time Earth rule and no make yet.
That before all of them. Now way, man.
All right.
Fashion hi-fi.
So you must know
Fervor
all.
digital and all of them things there.
That time Earth rule build now one living room on Montgomery Street. I think on Montgomery and Kingston. Junior Sprocket them.
So you know Earth before Earth start.
My daughter passed and gone. His mother used to have a babysitting, and when him just come, he used to help babysit my daughter. That's how far back me know him.
Who's bracket?
Yeah. Right at Linden and East 45th. Yeah, now you started now. You know what it- no.
Jedidan. Sprocket and
Yeah, Jedidan, yeah,
you know me, I
yes,
say,
right, Jedidan, right, a brown dread there.
Jedidan, yeah.
I don't, where become him? I don't even see him again.
Him good, man. Him good.
That time Roman used to go down there and sing on the sound in the living room.
Yo.
And we know a Roman from Jamaica, a champion, we used to call him tape at the singer. I come and say, I say, mean tape, that's what we used to call him. Because any was a night, there's a Roman on the road, he might walk and sing on top of him voice.
Yeah, man, Roman Stewart. Yeah.
And I tell a man, say, it's your Marlon, babe. It's 9 jeans.
See
a Roman all over that.
Young Roman.
A Roman that all over.
Wow.
Marlon down the street again.
Yes, it.
Eh?
Marlon
But-
up on the road again.
Marlon up on the road again. That's good.
Anyway,
No, man. Yo, the reason, Tommy. I'm going to play the tune. Yo, play back the Little John again.
no, give me the second tune, man.
Second
because
Yo.
We have no bad tunes still.
All right. Enough bad tune, Rona. So every time in the building. Share the life. Share the life.
I do.
Share the life.
I do. Get down on it, get down on
You know,
it.
look at
Get
that.
down on it, get down on it. Get down on
Some young Little John, man.
on it. Get down on
Little
it.
John,
Get
little bit of
down
Marga,
on it. How you gonna do it if you really don't want to dance? But standing on the wall, yeah. And how you gonna do it if you really don't dance?
Yo, pull up my tune from top band. Them time when Little John was Little John.
About 35 years, them tune I make now, you hear them sound?
Them time when Little John was Little John. Big up Big John. Anyway, I'm standing.
I do.
Yeah, the baby voice, man. What do you want?
Get down on
I'm going like him out grow me now, you know.
Get down
I know, but I
on
can't,
it.
no more.
Get down on it. Get down
Time get Big John in my little more.
down on it. Get down on it. How you gonna do it if you really don't want to dance? But standing on the wall, yeah. And how you gonna do it if you really don't take a chance? But standing on the wall, yeah. And how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? But standing on the wall, take you back from all the wall, hey. Take you back from all.
Yo, too much tune, Rona. Too much tune, Rona. Too much tune, Rona.
You don't really know
Take
if I tune,
away
man.
now. Well, I'm coming to get the Lord.
Little Johnny Wonder.
Say Tommy's gonna rock them both, yeah. Say Tommy's gonna teach them so. Say Tommy's gonna rock them both, yeah. Because I know him well official and in the passion.
Yo, thank God, man. I want to hear man dance nice, man. Dance nice, man.
There are days of Galaxy and Billboard days and then
Yeah, tell me say some Galaxy and Biltmore ballroom days.
Starlight Ballroom.
Starlight ballroom.
This is a little before your era now.
Rock them both,
Alright, now them time when you come on the scene.
Tommy's gonna teach them so. Say Tommy's gonna rock them both, yeah. Because I know him well official and in the passion, yeah. And in the passion, Tommy's in the passion, yeah. Say Tommy's in the passion. Say Tommy's gonna rock them both, yeah. Say Tommy's gonna teach them so, yeah. Say Tommy's gonna rock them.
Hey, them I call special, not duplicate, special.
Why yo?
Little John, they remember them tuna.
Why yo?
Remember them can't sing like them again.
Say Tommy's.
He may forgot to take a tape and then play it back and try to remember it.
Next side.
Yo, pull up them tuna, man. Ocean a tune owner, man. Portion a tune
Next
owner.
side,
You know
man.
me I say, Tommy in the building, Dan one in the building. The thing turn up, man. The thing turn up. Let me say the thing, though.
I do, why? Like how they do, when strangers come passing through, when stranger comes passing through.
Share the life.
Like how they do.
Yeah, man, you don't know. Hey, no, me not touch it.
I True, you don't know. True, you don't know. Yeah. True, you don't know. Oh yeah. Music is so divine, and you have your pretty smile. So come on and sing it with me. You makes me so happy, and I couldn't let you get away. 'Cause you're so sweet and you're so kind.
Johnny Wonder.
And I wonder if you're coming. If you're coming, girl. Yes, I wonder if you're coming, girl. Yes, I wonder if you're coming, girl. Yes, I wonder if you're coming.
Yeah, man, big up the sponsors. Big up the sponsor.
If you're coming, girl. Coming, girl.
Rumble, yo.
If you're coming, girl.
Yeah, man, you don't know. Big up Rumble Talk each and every Thursday. You can check that one day, you know what I say? From the IRicanChin.com or whatever.
You see this?
Make everything
This vice of form singing for the album, Papa. Listen to now.
only I could find.
Them time I said to me, say, we not produce some tune. I mean, person know I sing a tune for you now.
I give it to you. Only I could find.
So the original
A treasure of gold.
Original.
Work up on record.
Before it even touched the 45 or the 12 inch, whatever.
The album.
Because I love you. Because I love you. Because I love you. Because I love you.
Where's all them 30-year-old W sound?
Really wanna take
Clean, like whistle.
make you feel hearty. Really wanna take you to the dance, girl, to make you feel alright. Make you feel alright.
Next tune.
Yeah, Keisha Martin, bless up yourself, my sister, you know me I say. Walk safe, drive safe, you know me I say.
All right, darling.
Tune in on the live, you know. Yeah,
Hear
man,
them
you
tune
don't
now.
know.
Hear them tune now. Aight man, hooligan man. Listen to this.
Ain't no fire make you live that to this. The Tommy's gonna rock them boat. Oh, Papa Tommy's gonna teach them so to make they out to go.
Hold on now.
Yeah, no.
Jack it up, I'll pull up. Sir Tommy's all pull up.
You think I joke? No, man, me I pull you up, man. Me I pull you up. Him say pull you up, but you don't want to pull you up.
What the
Me
pull
a
up
pull
there
you up.
night?
The Tommy's gonna rock them boat. Oh, Papa Tommy's gonna teach them so to make they out to go. Jack it up, I'll pull up. Sir Tommy's all pull up.
That one, sir, tell me.
Never hooligan.
The man say pull up, so we just pull it up from top, you know me I said, last drop.
Lord, they make them wild.
All them hooligan them.
They make a load, they make them wild. Come, Papa Tommy, make a load, they make them wild. Because they don't stand a chance. Come, Papa Tommy, slow them.
He's off Galaxy man and Biltmore. Starlight Ballroom.
Because you are danger. You are danger. You are danger in other dance.
Well, I know.
Cause come be mashing them full stand a chance. Lord, they make them bad. Lord,
Yeah, man, pull up my tune from top. Ocean a tune one, you know me I deal with. Sir Tom in the building. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Share the live. Each and every Sunday from 6 to 9. We always go over the time sometime. LP, Real Talk, IG. Tell a friend for tell a friend. If you may find out and know about the thing. And if you miss a show, you can check it out on the YouTube. You know what I say? Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. Dan one Sir Tommy in the building.
Nitty gritty.
False alarm, talk about the sound dogging.
Well, I know.
Oh, false alarm, talk about the sound dogging. Oh, giving them a warning because my sound is coming. Oh,
Nitty.
giving them my sound is coming. Whoa, call a city mark. Somewhere they done out to bury. Alright, yo. Call a city mark. Somewhere they done out to
now put it up yet. Well, I know.
Enough sound boy, say them a sting. Pity them a know we are gonna trip them wing. Enough sound boy, say them a shot. I connect the red wire on the black. That's why for them sound. Have a feedback, livestock a livestock, dead stock a dead stock. Until you need to grit the comfy out of the spot. Until you this the sound of the cream of the crop. For the lamb.
I talk about Tommy. Yo, Tommy they in living colors. You think him could have died yet?
right.
He's not dead yet. Yeah, me play back one.
No,
What
you
it-
have a part 2.
You have a part
The
2
next
to it?
one after
The next
that.
one after that?
What you mean?
Yeah, you think? Yo.
Yeah. Sir Tommy's rule.
Run a jam is them tune a
Sir
voice.
Tommy rule. Alright then, no take him for no fool. Go on, doggy. Go on now. Right alarm. Sir Tommy is plugging.
Put up. Dance nice, man. The dancer get nice. Yo. Now we done bless up yourself, my brother. You don't know. That one a name?
Right.
Right alarm, not false alarm. Sir Tommy, King, kick, yo. Nitty, crucial, gritty.
Sir Tommy's rule. Sir Tommy rule.
Around the place, around the
Alright
road,
then, no
They
take
press
him
it.
for
Run a
no
King
fool.
Jammins.
Go on.
Nitty.
Go on now. Right alarm. Sir Tommy is plugging. Whoa, Aggie. Right alarm. Sir Tommy is plugging. Whoa, Aggie. Giving them a warning. Sir Tommy is coming. Whoa, Aggie. Giving them a warning.
You want one more
Sir
nitty-gritty?
Tommy is coming.
Of course, more wanna play though.
I call the city monger, somebody they done out to bury.
Yeah, tell me, I have to pull it up. I have to look on the fire them on the life. Look on the fire them on the nitty, crucial, gritty.
Yeah.
Nitty. No pity.
Sir Tommy's rule.
What's that?
Sir Tommy rule. Alright then, no take him for no fool. Go on.
Share the life, man. Share the life.
Go on now. Right alarm. Sir Tommy is plugging. Whoa, Aggie. Right alarm. Sir Tommy is plugging.
Tommy on the building, man. On the right thing. That one on the building.
Giving them a warning. Sir Tommy is coming. Whoa, Aggie. Giving them a warning. Sir Tommy is coming. Whoa,
Everybody on the life.
call the city monger, somebody they done out to bury. Go on, Aggie. Call the city monger, somebody they done out.
Hold on there. The man say, flip it over. One more nitty-gritty. One more nitty-gritty without pity. No bit, yo.
Yeah, Sir Tommy's rule. Saying, Tommy, Sir Tommy, Sir Tommy, yes, now you may enter. Alright, now you may enter. Sir Tommy's now you mentor.
Anybody go pull up. Dance nice. Dance.
Someone are going like seminar.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold
Especially
on.
now.
Oh, Tommy. How them are going like in a tune?
Think I joke
No, you say,
business.
true me humble.
Eh?
I'm just keep cool.
Hold on, man. Tommy, it's your creator, no?
Yeah, hold on.
You see,
Hold
tomorrow.
on. No, me have a wicked issue figure than that.
Hold on there. Let me get rid of that one quick. Share the live. Sir Tommy. Tommy song, we don't start talking about the studio yet, you know. And the sound part we are dealing with right now. See it?
Yeah, Sir Tommy's rule. Saying, Tommy, Sir Tommy, yes, now you may enter. Alright then, now you may enter. Go on there, Sir Tommy, now you may enter. Animal root out your dog flag. Sir Tommy, now you may enter. Animal root out your dog flag. Come me say, dance it the keep me say in a backyard. How the dance all was so cold. Liquor seller for me say no man no walk. Dance it the come. Go on then, Sir Tommy's a your mentor. Animal root out your dog flag.
Sir Tommy now you
mentor.
Animal root out your
dog flag.
Mythic, mutual, gritty.
I said to mama make your mouth so long.
But I can't play that one. I want to tell you. I'm supposed to advise him. Every time I say gritty, yo, LP, you know, that's how we want to road, you know. If I want to road, I'm supposed to advise him.
Where is your name first?
Who?
Before nitty gritty.
Well, I don't know the part there.
I'm saying your name Artibella.
Artibella, before nitty gritty. But I always say nitty gritty. Yo, LP, you know, link me. Yo, LP, you know, I say gritty soon. Because them time, you know, I look youth, you know. And you don't know a paper I deliver. And I sell, you know what I say?
Yeah, you have to go where your money can go at that time.
But in them days, we have buy a record and we have to build the sound system.
That time don't have July for a superpower.
But him always go on a roadie.
Yeah.
Always I go on a roadie studio in a basement there, you know what I say?
We know from the Jammy's days,
right.
Sugar Mine days.
So give me the history on the next one where you're going to play now.
All right. It's a tune, the first tune, 33 speed.
Yeah.
This, a ranking Joe.
Yeah.
Me and Downbeat player and Son Junior player.
Forward over there.
Down a Flatbush Mikey Jack keep a thing a club named Deep Hello.
Yeah.
When me draw that tune, yeah. Downbeat I say, boy, I never like that, I love this, and the next time we go buy Ska. This is the first Ska special make. Ranking Joe, play that.
First Ska special ever
The man
made.
used to come play Ska special after me, them copy me.
All right. Ranking Joe. Yo, Ranking Joe, bless up yourself, my brother. No, me I deal with. Share the light, share the light.
Station rules nation.
45 and a 33. That two, yeah, man, 45. A long time up.
Now this station rules the nation with version. Sir Tommy is the number one. Waste the time to tell the people about the music.
Share the life, man, share the life. Just start.
Hear that. First Ska special.
Now into the great sounds called Sir Thomas on the control.
Everybody else here come to say that before Ska special.
Don't stick around and don't be the clown.
Yeah, man, Michael Barber sings Ska special.
Gotta get a groove and move and groove and now it's here.
Yeah, Ska special.
You say you're the best.
Yeah, Ska
When
special.
Sir Thomas around, you just want guess. Do it. Never you chose down.
Well, I guess me follow you, come here a couple of them.
Sir Thomas will break you down, make you moan, you know. Make you sound and go home. Sir Thomas, I found play.
Well, on the man.
Do my basket, boom, 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 bass. Sound a little bit, come on down with me.
Yeah, man, put up a tune there again, man. Fire upon it, yo.
Station rules the nation with version. Sir Tommy
You
is
too
the
much fire emoji, Tommy. First, yo, the first Ska special. What year was that?
In the 90s.
In the 90s.
Now into the great sounds called Sir Thomas on the control. So stick around and don't be the clown. Gotta get a groove and move and now it's here.
We're no rehearse nothing, you know.
You say you're the best, but when Sir Thomas around, you just want guess. Do it. Cause Sir Thomas will break you down, make you moan, you know. Rock your sound and go home. Sir Thomas, I found play. Do my basket, boom, 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 bass. Sound a little bit, come on down with me. Live it like you were before. Yeah. Green booga wooga, like you know you should. Move, let me see you move them legs. Let me see you move and groove. Let me see you skanking. You want the wire? Sir Thomas kitchen, so on fire. Sir Thomas play. Live it up.
More than go on, man.
Bring it up. Move it. Yeah. Now if you are desire, Sir Thomas come to set your soul on fire. Yeah.
Hey, them tune up here, foot move on them tune.
Rock away, Sir Thomas, rock away. Do baba do do. Let me see you move and groove, and let me see you shake them legs, and let me see you skip and dip, and shake and heap, and walk and stick out, take it from a cocoa basket. Sir Thomas, number one champion, South, stick them on, don't be the clown. Hit me, Jack. We don't only gotta be my
Yo, the man said the first Ska special ever made.
Last tune.
See? First Ska special. Ranking Joe, big up yourself. Bless up yourself, my brother. Bless up yourself. Bad DJ from back in the days. You know what I mean, David? Ranking Joe. Him still bad, man. He's a bad DJ.
Yeah, this is I Ranking Joe, Bang Little, the original veteran Ranking Joe. See? Yeah, they never know I could DJ the style, original veteran style. No sound can play this one on Sir Thomas. See? Way back. Hit me Jack on the track Sir Thomas, #1 champion sound in town.
Only play by Sir Tommy. Only play.
You know? Baby, Sir Tommy is the #1 sound in town. Sound wire, run out of town. Don't be no clown. You should never trouble #1 champion sound called Sir Thomas sound is not clear.
Yo, put up them tune, man. Put yo.
I ranking Joe Bang Little, the original veteran ranking Joe. See?
Yo,
yeah, you never know I could
fire,
DJ the style, the original
crazy,
veteran
man.
style. No sound can play this one on Sir Thomas. See? Way back. Hit me,
Yeah, them take a special. One away. No sound I will play that.
No, don't play.
One take. Hold on, what's it? Now sound can play this one along with service called Sir Thomas #1 champion sound in town. You know?
Yeah, that one, bless up.
Baby, Sir Tommy is the #1 sound in town. Sound wire, run out of town. Don't be no clown. You should never trouble #1 champion sound called Sir Thomas sound is not clear. Live it up, shake it up. Move it, I tell you, baby, rock it to me, suck it to me, baby. Blaze away with fire, rock away, now we rock away. Sir Thomas down the booze, I would say.
Hey, suppose in the house and there's some foot shuffle. No. Be a foot shuffle.
People must come up. Sir Thomas is a song will lead the way. We're taking the map, #1 and champion song, as I would say. Thomas the king. Original Sir Thomas from Brooklyn. Tommy, original CD finger. Move it. Live it up.
All right.
Real talk IG,
Hear that
don't
tone,
know.
hear that tone.
History today. History.
Hear that tone of only
It's
two
just
sound.
Two sound.
Play that tone off, yeah.
Which
And
one? One or two?
The first one.
First one?
I hear the joke now.
Yeah.
I'm a virgin named City Star. He begged me for the car. A ranking Joe already, you know.
Yeah.
Tone of sing original theme, but me write the lyrics here. And him sing it.
Yeah.
And I beg me, boy, voice. We didn't even get off the record. I didn't want to voice with nobody else. I'm going to tour away after that. Play it. Tone it off.
Tone it off. Listen to Tuna. Listen to Tuna. Share the life. Share the life. Share the life.
Shh, why me I tell you, man. Tired of the same selection
Read
every
between
day,
the
man.
lines now.
Sir Thomas say, Sunday night come, Monday night come, Tuesday night come, sound a play same selection.
Yo, pull up, man. Pull up, man. Tommy, yo, perfect tune for the Real Talk IG. Sunday might come, Monday I go talk about it. Dan one in the building, Tommy in the building.
All right.
History in the building to them, man.
I'm going to write the lyrics to this now. Go around the original way him write.
First start.
Shh, why me I tell you, man. Tired of the same selection every day, man.
Read between the lines now, poor man. Listen.
Sir Thomas say, Sunday night come, Monday night come, Tuesday night come, sound a play same selection. Wednesday night come, Thursday night come, Friday night, Saturday night, same selection. Tired of this regular selection. Tired of this jump and sound boy. January come, February come.
Yo. I'm not too soon, I go play it no more.
Why?
Because them have vice.
Me have the rhythm.
But tell me, them have got vice.
Yeah, but no pan that rhythm. I'm the original rhythm I think, pan.
Well, me don't know, but me don't know
But
about them. Me
But
don't know about them.
But top side of Gaga, I don't know if you sing for nobody else, you know.
Inside a gang order.
Yeah.
Well, me don't know about them, but
Well, you gotta look
they
it.
come check you for the rhythm.
You gotta look it.
Because me need
Play the
a
tune.
tough tune there. We need them tune in our box.
Boy, you're the joke, no? You know how to listen to the lyrics, then. You know how to listen to the lyrics.
I'm listening. Shh,
Shh, why me I tell Tell you,
You want to hear the
man.
flow
Tired
on
of the same
this?
selection every day, man.
Yes. Don't play a dance all
Sir
out.
Tommy say, Sunday night come, Monday night come, Tuesday night come, sound a play same selection. Wednesday night come, Thursday night come, Friday night, Saturday night, same selection. Tired of this regular selection. Tired of this jump and sound boys. January come, February come, yes March come, same thing all over. April come, May come.
It's too bad.
But yo, no
Don't
man.
touch it, man.
No man, no man.
They what?
Them
Many
tuna, Tommy, them tuna you have to bore whole. They need great ten of them tuna. I have to pull them up. I have to pull them up, man.
Tired of the same selection every day, man.
You can't play the same thing every day.
No,
Something different, and this is
Well,
this is fresh to the ear, Tommy.
Magia the sound man them. A copycat.
Yeah.
Cause first of all, enough of the sound man them, if Stone Love no play a tune, they don't feel like he can't play. Right?
You talk about the juggling sound. Then.
Right. Because me I have a tune where I play it. And people in America, them biased up.
True that.
We there we play a tune for 100 a year. And as Stone Love and them come, yeah, them real Pango like the greatest
One
thing.
sound come from Jamaica, then real up and go on like that. And we have paid the tune for million a year.
And I force and them go on like say at them. Me there see back and me hear you them come play that tune and man. I say, but look how long we have played tune to we have to get we have all them tune there. And the man go on, you know see it.
So it go.
Yeah, the man them
You see, Jamaican, them not really support them own.
just like the
You know what
just
I'm
like the man them. If I tune if the radio man them, if no you play a Jamaica, them no want to play it.
That's why the sound them up I get so bad, you know. True, the sound them come from Jamaica and the man get them top ratings. That's why I know run around them with tune.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah.
To the
all
tune, to the tune.
We're going to run the tune again. We're going to run that tune not too bad. That tune not too bad.
The message is in the
The
music.
message is... Aye.
The
Listen,
sound,
Kaylee.
the sound of Jamaica now sound like tune like the man of America, you know.
Make them know that one. Make them know.
How much is that
Why me I
Jamaica
tell
turn?
you? Tell you, man. Tired of the same selection every day, man.
Tune it up.
Sir
Morris.
Tommy say, Sunday night come, Monday night come, Tuesday night come, sound a play same selection. Wednesday night come, Thursday night come, Friday night, Saturday night, same selection. Tired of this regular selection. Tired of this jump and sound boys. January come, February come, yes March come, same thing all over. April come, May come, June come, right down to December. Tired of this regular selection. Tired of these jump and sound boys. Tired of this regular selection. Yes, I'm tired of and sound boys. Stone play, jar play, media play, same selection at play, per play, replay, same selection. Tired of this regular selection. These old
Yo. No phone no read between the line, look a while. No phone no. They have to listen keenly. And some sound name in a call. But no phone, hey.
You know
Next tune.
No, me no, the tune I done. Some partner, some wicked partner that.
Hold on. Tap then. Tap. Hold me say right. Hold in.
Why me I tell you?
Hold in.
Tired of the same selection every day, man. Sir Tommy say, Sunday night come, Monday night come, Tuesday night come, sound a play same selection. Wednesday night come, Thursday night come, Friday night, Saturday night, same selection. Tired of this regular selection. Tired of this jump and sound boys. January come, February come, yes March come, same thing all over. April come, May come, June come, right down to December. Tired of this regular selection. Tired of these jump and sound boys. Tired of this regular selection. Yes, I'm tired of and sound boys.
Thank you for the rhythm.
Stone play, jar play, media play, Same selection at play, play, replay. Same selection. Tired of this regular selection. Tired of these old pants song boys. Tired of the regular selection. Tired of this regular playing. We want some Judah One, Treasure Isle, and a good old Channel One. Moody's, Harry J, and even the good old Gigi. Tired of this regular routine. Yes, tired of this sound that's playing. Tired of the regular selection. Tired of these.
Alright, so I just allow them make the tune play. I'm making an ear while go on the tune. Yo,
all right.
Ocean of tune. Ocean of tune.
We'll go back to now.
Ocean of
Production now.
tune.
This is the first tune we ever produced.
First tune they ever produced. Listen to tune. Keenly. Alright? Hey, lift up my one from top. Let me check the speed and see what kind of speed.
Man, right speed.
Right speed. A 45, man. You don't know. Up tempo a little bit. Up tempo a little bit.
You know? Tune now. Tune I made 1985. I just start produce.
Yeah.
First time I go to shoot, although me and him not talk, Peter came in, I still give him credit no matter what. I don't know if shot of the world him there now. I him book the musician them. And for the simple reason, when me and him talk, when me have the studio, him and Toughest get a fight round there and Toughest boss me there in the king battle. And through me not excited, him vex me. Call all Black Dread of England and tell Black Dread lie how me run off and read my make LP and read him and all kind of things. When I him run off the man read him.
Either thing that.
Yeah, man. You don't see it?
So it's the toughest boss in my head.
Yeah, because fools is a man argue over. But I mean, you don't see it.
But you don't want to get involved in a certain
yeah.
thing. You
so from that, now him vex with me now. You don't see it?
Well,
but
you know what
I
mean not too like with most of the L of them, cause we are calling them L, you know. Cause it come like most of the L of them like you and Dan one now, no know each other from years.
Right.
On a par from years.
I like a man why make things so me not in that things. Cause the day when it happen, I him take pinchers 45, lift again and put water on the record around that. Cause when Black Dread, my big Jalife called Black Dread and Black Dread say, "Oh, can me so me and people has an argument." And I say, "Dread, me don't know you. You don't know me. I have read him for myself." And I say, "Tell him, ask him when topic was made." You don't see it.
So the man them used to argue over rhythm.
No, but I'm sure I said the man. I give this to say. I him run the session for me, get the musician after that, I can't do it for my own. Because the first thing I ever produced as a Trevor Jr., I sold recipe in dead about 4 years and out. You understand?
Alright, we're going to run the tune. First tune Sir Tommy ever produced after the sound system. Right? First tune. Listen, kid.
Channel 1, 1985. The Rhythm Liquor Channel 1, Vice and Mix RJ.
Alright.
Give my show one, you know, listen.
Them a come and dance, all down for the reggae and trash. In the clubs, and also leisure. Caught up on the bedroom, like them a big set. Them not rock, no dash.
Well, I know, hey, tell me we have 1 more minute, you know. I go to me check that thing out. Now we're going to start the live. We'll start the live and play back that tune. Because I don't want the thing to end and we lose it. Because people can't last that history. You know me, David? Everybody tune in back on the live. We'll restart the live over back. You know what I say? All right?